Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the domain and expiration. Check with OpenSol or certbot to see expiry. Make sure you have the private key, new CSR or issued certificate, and the CA chain file. Back up the current certificate and web server configuration to a safe location so you can roll back if needed. Once done, copy the new certificate and chain into /etc/SSL or your distro's preferred path and set appropriate file permissions so the server user can read them, but others cannot. Now update your web server configuration to point to the new certificate, private key, and CA chain files. For Apache edit the SSL certificate file, SSL certificate key file, and SSL certificate chain file directives. For Nginx update SSL certificate and SSL certificate key. Test the config with a pashectl configdist or Nginx to catch syntax issues. Once tests pass, gracefully reload the service so existing connections aren't dropped. Make sure file permissions remain correct and SE Linux contexts are applied when relevant. Finish by verifying the new certificate is served. Use a browser, OpenSol Client Connect, or an external SSL test to confirm chain and hostname match. If verification fails, check server logs for permission, SE Linux, or binding errors, and ensure the certificate and key match by comparing modulus. If you see a private key mismatch or broken chain, revert to your backup, restore the previous files, and reload the server. One key troubleshooting tip. Always check file permissions and SE Linux context first when the server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.